Alright, we're back with the Mercedes, the 350 SLK, and what we're going to do is we're actually wet sanding the headlights with some 1000 grit, so that way we can go ahead and get this cleaned up a little bit. Then we're going to, once we get it all done and polished up, we're going to go ahead and put a clear coat on it and get it all looking like new again. Now when you're sanding with it on the car, make sure you put your fingers like this, so that way you don't touch the paint in any kind of way, and it keeps it off the paint. Okay, we're pretty much done with the 1000 grit, so we're down to the 1200. We're going to take that up, and then we're going to switch out to the 1000 grit here in a minute, but it's actually starting to clean up pretty good. Let me show you. So the yellowing haze up here is gone, so now we just got to start cleaning up the rest of it and getting it ready. Now, because Mercedes uses the top up here as the headlight, like the UV rays just really put some oxidation on this. But I mean, it's actually cleaned up pretty good. We got rid of the yellow haze, so that makes me feel good. So the rest of it is just a matter of cleaning up. So I'll come back as soon as I get to the 1000 grit or the 2000 grit, and then we're going to polish it, clean it back up, and then put some clear on it. Alright, that is the first time with the 2000 grit, and it is starting to look really good. So we got a little bit more going with the 2000 grit, but won't be much longer. We'll be ready for some clear on top, and clear fills all the micro scratches even better. So ones that are being stubborn we'll be able to take care of. Now this stuff clears up nicely once it's drying, so we'll check back and see how good it looks. The other side looks amazing so far. Alright, this side right here is drying up. As you see, the hazing is clearing up nicely as it's drying. Now let's see what the finished product looks like. And there you go. That's the finished product. Almost looks like a brand new headlight again. It looks pretty amazing. I have to say for myself. So, I mean, that thing's sharp looking. A little bit of clear, a little bit of sanding, and it's amazing what they can do. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. 159 videos. Bye.